consistent system of linear equation. Consistent system of linear equation. Consistent system of linear equation. Now there is a word consistent. So let us define what is consistent. A system of two linear equations. You write a system of two linear equations in two unknowns. A system of two linear equations in two unknown is said to be consistent. Is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. If it has at least one solution, right? So agar if it is a system of two linear equation or two variables, you can say there are two unknowns here. So system को हम consistent कहेंगे कब? जब when the system has at least one solution, then this is said to be consistent, right? And similarly, inconsistent system of linear equation. Inconsistent system of linear equation. Inconsistent system of linear equation, right? तो consistent और inconsistent के बारे में हम लोग ये करना चाह रहे हैं. Now what is inconsistent? ठीक है? A system of two linear equations. A system of two linear equations in two unknowns. A system of two linear equations in two unknowns is said to be inconsistent. Is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution at all. If it has no solution at all, right? तो बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है आप देखिए. कंसिस्टेंट किसको बोलते हैं? When this system of linear equation in two variables or two unknowns, when it have at least one solution, then इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे कि it is consistent, right? And when it have no solution at all, then we call it as inconsistent, right? Then we call it as inconsistent. So consistent means at least one solution, and inconsistent means no solution at all, right? For example, x plus y is equal to 3, right? X plus y is equal to 3, and 2x plus 2y is equal to 7, right? X plus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus y is equal to 7. क्या होगा? This is inconsistent, right? क्यों? क्योंकि देखिए अगर इस इक्वेशन को हम देखें, इस इक्वेशन को हम कहें यहाँ से 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज 2, x plus y is equal to 7, and this implies that x plus y is equal to how much? 7 by 2, and here we have x plus y is equal to 3, here we have x plus y is equal to 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So this solution is this is called inconsistent linear equations, because क्योंकि दोनों में x plus y का वैल्यू अगर 3 होगा तो x plus y का वैल्यू 7.7 by 2 नहीं हो सकता है, राइट?